OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, which was founded in 1960 by 5 countries. Now it has got 22 countries as member that supplies the petroleum to rest of the world. Out of these 22 countries, 12 countries produces most of the petroleum. That means world fulfills its requirement for petroleum majorly from these 12 countries. What if I say the same for the water? What if I say that in near future, water just like petroleum will also be limited to few countries and the world will fulfill its requirement of water from these countries? And what if I say that this phenomenon has already started in some other form? Saudi Arabia is buying lots of farmland across the world. For an example, they have bought a total 14,000 acres of farmland across USA in the last 6 years. Saudi Arabia doesn't have any permanent river, but they have groundwater, and this groundwater they have been using to grow water intensive crops over the year in their own country. But now the level of groundwater has gone down to 500 feet. Since Saudi Arabia seldom sees any rain, hence the replenishment of this groundwater was also difficult. Also, just like any country, the 90% of total consumption of water is done in agriculture sector. Hence, they came with a new economic policy under which they started buying farmland in other countries where they can grow their water intensive crops and then import it to their own countries. Saudi Arabia is not alone. There are 35 other countries across the world where there is no water left, like Libya, Yemen, Qatar and UAE, and they all are following the same path. If we see the pattern of water on earth, 97% of water is saline water, 2% of water is in the ice form, and only 1% of water is consumable fresh water. Out of this 1% water, 30% is above ground and 70% of water is groundwater. So majority of water is below the ground, and it is this water which every country consume to fulfill its requirement. The problem with this groundwater is that the replenishment rate is too low as compared to the consumption rate, which is too high, and that is how we got our first city with no water, Cape Town. There are many other cities which are on the verge of becoming next Cape Town due to the overuse of groundwater. Mexico, Bangalore, Beijing, London, Jakarta, Tokyo, Istanbul, and many more cities which are going to face a severe water crisis in the coming 24 years. If we talk about the countries, the most populous countries like China, India, USA are also going to face same kind of water crisis within 60 years. That means once the water starts running out, these countries will start looking for other countries with water surplus and will start importing water intensive food and product rather than producing and manufacturing it in their own countries. There are many countries which are already started importing these products like North Africa, Middle East, Japan, Mexico are few examples. These countries are importing water intensive products from water surplus countries like Brazil, Canada, Russia. These water surplus countries have huge amount of groundwater which is going to last for a very long time. Hence, once the world will start running out of water, these water surplus countries will start dominating the world economy because of their water reserve, just like OPEC countries are doing now because of their oil reserves. लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।